You will never use dishwashing liquid alone after learning this incredible homemade cleaning paste with multiple advantages that can be prepared by combining baking powder, dishwashing liquid, and salt. Mixing baking soda, dishwashing liquid, and salt have a cleaning properties that can create a more potent cleaning solution. Baking soda can act as a gentle abrasive. Dishwashing liquid helps break down grease and grime, while salt provides additional scrubbing power. To prepare this mixture, add a cup of liquid dish soap in a bowl. Add a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of salt and a tablespoon of baking soda and mix very well. Pour the mixture in an empty clean container. This mixture can be used to clean variety of surfaces, including burnt pots and pan, kitchen countertops, bathroom fixtures, sinks, and stovetops. You can effectively clean and remove stubborn stains, such as food spills, coffee stains, or grease marks, and also neutralize any unpleasant odor from surface such as cutting boards by applying the mixture to the stain. Gently scrub, and rinse thoroughly. If you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video.